Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and welcome to KaylayCreates. Welcome to video 3 of my mini-series for North Carolina universities. Today I'm going to be doing ECU. It's like one of the biggest rivals of my school. But it's okay. The girl who gave me the idea for this whole series, she's one of my best friends named Maddie, and she went to ECU for her freshman year, so I have to do it for her. And I'm pretty excited because I have a pretty good idea for this one. And so I'm gonna start out, as always, with my Inglot eye primer to get rid of all the color. And then I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette because that's where all my colors are. And I'm going to be using a flat shader brush to set the primer with white shadow. If I can open it. With this. Pat that all over my lid. Okay, and then for this look today, I'm going to be using a lot of flat shader brushes like this. I'm going to start with this gold color right here. ECU's colors are purple, gold, and black and white. So I'm going to be using this gold. And I'm just going to pop this in the inner half of my eye. And just slowly build up as I need to. So now that that bright gold is there, I'm going to go in with another flat shader brush with this deep purple. I'm going to pop that into the outer corner, or the outer half of my eye. Woo, fallout. And I'm just going to pat that in wherever I want it to be. It's okay if it's messy because we'll blend it out later. And then I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush like this and just blend out that purple. I'm going to try and keep that yellow shade pretty intense and pretty rigid in the inner corner. I'm barely touching my skin for this. I really want to keep that purple really concentrated and really bright. And then I am going to be doing a big black wing liner. And I'm going to be using my NYX matte liner again. And then I'm going to clean up under that with a Q-tip and micellar water. Okay, and then I'm going to do my concealer under my eyes, and then I will be right back. Okay, and then to finish up under my eyes, I'm going to actually do the opposite of what I have on my upper eyes and do the opposite on my lower lashes. Hopefully this doesn't ruin everything. And I'm going to finish up with some mascara. I'm using my same Double Decker Lashes mascara from Butter London. And then I'm going to finish up this look with some lips. I'm going to be using my NYX Liquid Lingerie in Dusk to Dawn. Okay, and that is the final look. I actually really like this. Not a fan of ECU, but their colors are pretty cool. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, give me a comment down below on what kind of video you would like to see. And if you like me, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And I hope to see you all next time. Bye.